Hello traders, welcome to 200forexwebs.com. So guys, in this video we are going to talk about the today's technical analysis of the market. And before I start the technical analysis, so if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, then please press the subscribe button and also press the notification button so that you will be posted with the latest notification from my side. Okay guys, these are the trades that are currently active and you can see on the screen right now. And guys, now we are going to talk about the trades right from the gold. So guys, you can see we have a sweet upward trend on gold that's going into the upward direction, and that's what we have judged in the morning. And you can see here that I have these are the subscribers to my signal service, and I have sent the signals report early in the morning. And in this report I also have highlighted the gold signal that was bullish from 1858.50, and I was expecting the gold that it can go up to 1875.75. okay, 40, sorry. So basically this gold this signal is given based on the full day trading, and hopefully all my subscribers who have taken the positions today on gold, they must be into the very good profits. Okay, at next we have Euro JPY. So let me take you towards the Euro JPY chart. So let me also take you towards the signals report. So guys, today I have not closed the trade so that I can show you that how this works. And Euro JPY with a bearish expectation from 125.932, and I was expecting the drop up to 125.482. And guys, you can see the levels are already on the screen, and you can see that we have a decent drop on Euro JPY, and the market dropped from here and it went beyond the barriers of the target price. Okay, so I congratulate my all traders who have taken the sell positions today on Euro JPY. They must have ended their day with a good profit. Okay, at next we have Great Britain Pound JPY that's still onto the way, and let me show you from the report that how my signal was on it. So Great Britain Pound JPY with a bearish expectation from 141540, and I was expecting the market to drop up to 140928. And if you look at the MetaTrader 4, then you can see that still this signal has to go into the downward direction. So overall currently I am bearish on Great Britain Pound JPY. At next we have USD Canadian dollar. So just guys, please stay with me because my MetaTrader is getting a bit slow. Okay, now we have a big drop on USD Canadian dollar, and that's the beauty of 200 Forex pips, that it has given us given the bearish signal right in the morning from 126.902, and I was expecting the drop up to 126.176. And guys, you can see a very sweet and beautiful big drop on USD Canadian dollar. That's the massive drop that we have caught today. And guys, let me take you towards the signals report because maybe you might be thinking it's something else, so I can show you here. First of all, let's see here. You can see that I have sent this signal report 7 hours ago, and now going to take you towards the report, and you will be able to see about the USD Canadian dollar signal here. I was bearish on it from the same report 126.902, and you can confirm this level from this report 126.902. So basically I am showing the same thing that I have sent to my subscribers in the form of report. Hopefully that concept will also be clear to you. At next we have AUDUSD, and AUDUSD didn't move very much today. So just guys, please stay with me. My MetaTrader is a bit slow right now. So let me take you towards the AUDUSD chart right now. Just a second, it's a bit slow at my end. Okay, let's cancel it. Okay, so AUDUSD, we are here, and now let me take you towards its chart as well. So I'm also meanwhile going to take you towards the signal of AUDUSD. So here we are on the signals report. So guys, I have given the bullish signal on AUDUSD from 0.77458, and I am expecting the market up to 0.78236. So basically the second level inside my signals report is the targeted price. So the market, so you can see the AUDUSD just break that level. So the second price in my signals report is basically the targeted price. So if you are getting a reasonable profit in between that levels, you can exit. But overall you have seen that the signals worked really well on the higher time frame as well. At next we have USDJPY, And guys, we have a drop on USDJPY. I'm going to take you towards the signals report. So bearish signal was supplied from 103685 and 103329 is the targeted price. And guys, you can see the drop is already onto the way, and AUDUSD is already dropping. So we will see that if the market keeps on going into the downward direction, then it can go into the further downtrend. And one losing trade that is on Great Britain pound USD, so we are not going to talk about this. So overall, these all signals were settled into the form of pending orders. We were using buy stop and sell stop for the signals, and these are the signals that are triggered. These are the not manual trades that we have taken. We have basically set up the signals as per the signals report. So guys, that was quite effective, and hopefully those subscribers who have joined the signal service from today, so I hope that they will be in also very good profits. Okay guys, so hopefully this concept will be clear to you about this technical analysis. We were not giving the technical analysis from the long time. I was quite busy with other stuff, and so I just started today. So hopefully you like this. So if you like this video, please press the like button. If you want to subscribe to the Forex signal service, you can contact me on WhatsApp. The WhatsApp number is given in the description of this video, as well as you can leave your inquiries on info@200forexpips.com. Okay guys, one more thing, that these signals are based on full day trading. So if you are a day trader, then you need to subscribe my signals. And even if you want to do scalping, you can, because you will find some chances to scalp the market as well. Like you can see a big drops and upwards signs were there. But overall, these are based on the full day trading, so these are most safe. And if you want to also get the scalping indicator that I have introduced in my previous videos, so you need to watch from my playlist, that is the scalping series. So you can also find the scalping indicators that are very good for trading. So guys, if you like this video, please press the like button, and you can contact me if you need any kind of help. Thank you for watching this video.